Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not new here, you'll know that I am currently in a different setting. So I'm in a hotel room, but I'm going to do the video as usual. So the hair I will be using today is from a store on Amazon called the Mido store. It comes in this packaging. It is new Faux locs, 24-inch. This is how the individual package looks like. The color is T27, so it's like this brownish, blondish color on the ends. That is what it looks like, and it's 24 inches, so it's this long on me, and I am 5'3". And the hair comes with 7 packs, and they each have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. So I'm going to say they each have approximately 20 in them. So 20 times 7 is 140. Also, the hair is about $36. And actually, I just checked the Amazon site where I got the hair from, and it is supposed to be 21 locks in each pack. So 21 times 7 is 147. So that's how many locks you have. I currently have 79 braids in my head, so I'll use about half of that. Oh, and let me show you my braid pattern. So they're all individual braids. And this braid situation I got going on is currently a week old. So now I'm going to start my hair. I'm going to do my hair halfway, then show you an example, and then show you another example when I get towards the top of my hair. So I'm about halfway done my hair, but before I get into more details on the hair, I want to shout out my boyfriend for putting together this trifold mirror for me, this travel trifold mirror, so that I could do my hair in the hotel room. Look at it, it's just awesome and so helpful. Okay, that's it. So now back to the hair. I also want to mention that the hair came with some hair jewelry and a crochet hook. So this is what I have so far. 2 packs in. For the most part, they're even, except this one. I'm gonna have to cut that. I should probably take this off and show you the back of the hair. Okay, so this is how I do it. I take down the braid I'm working on, which is this one. I take my crochet hook and the faux loc. And these faux locs, they're pre-looped, so it's kind of easier to open, and the loops aren't like stiff or anything, so you can just put your finger right through it. I put the crochet hook through my braid, the top part of my braid, and then I latch the lock and close the hook, pull it through. Now I'm opening the loop and putting the braid in the lock through like this. I'm tightening the lock in the braid by pulling the braid in the lock at the same time. So I pulled both of them through. Now I have this loop right there. So this is a shorter braid, so I can probably do this in 2 So sections. So I'm going to do the first section. I'm going to put my crochet needle through the center of the lock, and I'm just working my way through it with the hook. See that? And I'm going all the way to the top, but not the loop. I'm not messing with the loop, just going all the way to the top of the lock. Then I'm pushing it all the way through. I am grabbing the braid and attaching it at the end, closing the hook and pulling it through. And then I just scrunch it up like that just to make sure I'm covering the whole braid. Oop, what was that? Is that my hair? Like that. So now, as you can see, that part of the braid is completely in the lock. So now I'm just going to repeat that step again. So this is how long, this is what's left of the braid. I'm just going to go a little bit lower and then make my way towards the center and top of the lock again. So just going through, going through, keep going, scrunching it up, keep going. Now I go where the braid starts again, well, where I can see the braid, and I'm pushing through like that and attaching towards the end and closing and then pulling through. Oops. Let me do that again. So I'm pushing through, then attaching while putting the braid in the hook, closing the hook, and pulling through. And then I just pull it just to make sure it's all the way in, and there we go. Alright guys, so I am nearing the end of finishing my hair. I'm going to show you one more example. I think it came out really nice. So this is what it looks like. Oh, let me take this off again. And let's look at the ends of the hair. Actually, I'm gonna snip this one. But other than this one, they're pretty much even. for the most part. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment any other type of videos you want to see from me, and I'll see you next time.